Hello, dessert lovers. Get ready for a treat that's as simple as it is utterly delicious. Today we're whipping up a classic raspberry fool, a light, fruity, and incredibly easy dessert that's perfect for any occasion. It's pure joy in a bowl. You only need 3 stars for this show: fresh or frozen raspberries, a touch of granulated sugar, and some luscious heavy cream. That's right, just 3 ingredients stand between you and dessert heaven. This recipe proves that amazing flavor doesn't need a long list. First, gently cook your raspberries with the sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir occasionally until the berries break down and become soft and jammy. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once cooked, let this vibrant raspberry mixture cool completely. Next, in a separate bowl, whip your cold heavy cream until it forms beautiful, soft peaks. Be careful not to over-whip it. Now, gently fold the cooled raspberry mixture into your whipped cream. Swirl it just enough to create lovely streaks of pink and white. Spoon your delightful raspberry fool into individual serving glasses or bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with a few fresh raspberries or a mint leaf. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors meld beautifully. This dessert is light, refreshing, and bursting with fresh raspberry flavor. It's the perfect sweet ending to any meal, and so easy even beginners can master it. Go on, give it a try, and impress everyone with this simple elegance.